Hi guys, I see some of you have questions about how to use your cream, so this video is for you. Here's a demo of the cream. There you go. I'm just going to take a little spot of the cream to show you how it works. There we go. I'm going to put it on my hand here. See how far it spreads? That's basically what's going to happen on your skin as well. And you just massage it into your skin. A little bit goes a really long way, as you can see. It's very silky, very smooth, very easy to apply, and it's going to leave your skin feeling really soft and obviously glowing in no time. And that's what it looks like. Let me just quickly show you. There you go. After you apply your cream, don't forget to apply your sunblock. Apply your cream in the morning, your sunblock in the morning as well, and then apply just your cream at night, and in no time you'll see your results.